bones, nose chewed off, another bone. So guys, there's the white stuff right there. Guys, I think I can see some bone. No, that's just a bag. It's there. It's fine. The dogs can go up there. Let Jughead up there. No, Jughead, go up. Come on, Jughead. All right. When we went up here, there was some blood. Okay. Dogs, you see anything weird? We heard some screaming chickens. I saw a dead chicken. So up here we can see everything. We're waiting for this girl to be done with school. Her name is Sophie. One time we were around and I asked if she was allowed on YouTube. She said yes, and she's allowed to reveal her name. I like, they allowed on YouTube part is normal, but the allowed to show name part isn't as normal. Let's play. Yeah, play. Who will win? Who will win the play? Yeah, I got you. Come play. Come here. Come here. You're both so cute.